my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and homemade pork dumplings that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious homemade pork dumplings, these are the ingredients. I have garlic cloves, I have ginger, I have the paper wrappers of the dumplings, I have the green scallions, the Chinese lettuce, the ground pork, sesame oil, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing and delicious pork dumplings at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my Chinese lettuce. I am going to dice it really good. And once it's nice and diced, I am going to transfer it to a bowl where I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I want to add the salt so that the Chinese lettuce starts releasing all the excessive liquid. Yes, I am going to mix it really good. I'm going to transfer it into and strain it really good. After you blend it really good, you need to put it through a mesh or put it so that it starts releasing all the excessive liquid. Look at this. I'm going to leave it in here for about 30 minutes while I prepare the ground pork. This spicy and delicious pork dumplings come out delicious. You guys are really going to fall in love with it. Well, I have here the ground pork, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all these ingredients, okay? I'm going to make it very easy for you to make at home. 1 tablespoon of every single one ingredient. Of course, you could find all the ingredients in the supermarket. It's not difficult to find, but yet when you make it at home, when you make these amazing dumplings at home, they come out delicious, and I'm sure that if I could do it, you could do it too. Well, here I'm just incorporating all those amazing spices. And now that it's nice and incorporated, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is very important. You need to really add it in here, incorporate it really good so that everything gets nice and moist when you cook this amazing and delicious dumpling. Well, of course, once this is done, I am ready to start adding the look at this. The Chinese lettuce really has a lot of liquid, and this is exactly what you don't want. You want to make sure that you squeeze it really good. You get that excessive liquid out of the lettuce, and then incorporate it into your pork beef. Look at this. This is exactly what you don't want. Here, I'm just going to incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I am ready to show you the next step. Of course, you could use your hands so everything is incorporated perfectly. I have my dumpling sheets here, and I'm going to start adding 1 teaspoon at a time on each wrapper. Of course, the wrappers, you could find it in any supermarket. It's not difficult to find. Just add a little bit of water to the edges. Add a little bit of the filling, because if you overfill them, they are going to open when you cook them, when you steam them. I am going to steam them. So you want to make sure that you only add 1 teaspoon to your wrapper and then wet the side, cover it, and then look at this. They look so beautiful. I'm gonna continue making the rest, and then I'll show you what is the next step. Like I said, if I could do it at home, you could do it at home too. Well, here, what I'm going to do, I am already done wrapping and making these amazing pork dumplings. And this is the best part. I'm going to steam them in this amazing steamer. You could buy it on Amazon. That's where I bought it. It comes with these little parchment paper that are reusable. You put it on the bottom and you start adding your dumplings right on the top. They will not stick. They will not stick, but yet they come out so moist. They're steamed, so you could really taste all those amazing flavors. And once this is done, you're going to cover it. You're going to cover it on the stove. I have a pan with boiling water. I am going to add this right on the top. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. And while the dumplings are cooking, I am ready to make this amazing sauce. Look at this. They're nice and hot. I'm going to let them rest for about 5 minutes. And now let's make this amazing sauce. This is going to be the spicy and delicious sauce. But if you don't like spicy, well, then just make this amazing sauce. You could use it as a dip. It really tastes delicious. Of course, we're going to add crushed garlic cloves, really crushed and diced. And we're going to add some ginger. The garlic and the combination of the ginger makes this dip such a delicious and amazing flavor. Look at this. I have a little piece of ginger that I'm going to crush and dice really small so that it releases all those amazing flavor into this amazing dip. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. Once you add this and the sesame seeds, oh my gosh, you could already dunk your dumplings into it and enjoy them. Look at this. This dip is amazing. Of course, I am going to add my sesame seeds right on the top. This is a very easy and delicious dip that I just added 1 tablespoon of everything. And I'm sure you're going to love it. Look at this. Just incorporate it really good. And like this recipe is spicy pork wontons. I have my homemade chili oil that you have on my channel. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this amazing chili oil, or salsa macha as I call it. And I'm going to add a couple of the tablespoons of this mixture. And then we are ready to drizzle right on the top and enjoy these pork dumplings. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. Of course, be part of Cooking with Gloria, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am ready to add these dumplings right into my plate, drizzle them with this amazing and spicy sauce right on the top. Like I said, my mouth is watering. I really love enjoying this at home. And when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect and delicious. And now, this is the best part. Adding some scallions right on the top. Adding this amazing chili oil right on the top. And of course, enjoying them. I hope you leave me a thumbs up. I hope you try this amazing recipe. This is a homemade recipe that I'm sure you are going to love. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. friends, I am completely done with these amazing and spicy pork dumplings. If I could make it at home, you could make it at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Of course, tasting my recipes, excuse me. Delicious. They come out so tender and delicious. Really so good. You need to try them. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay enjoying these spicy dumplings. See you soon. Bye-bye.